So topic for today is business contracts. So I think very first question has to be, what are commercial contracts?
Okay, see, when we say commercial contract, we are restricting ourselves to commercial transactions. Right? Now, contracts has to be commercial, no doubt, because the Indian law speaks very clearly that any contract without consideration is not valid.
Not valid. Right.
Subject to certain four exceptions which are laid down. The commercial contract means two parties or more than two parties entering into a business transactions to note down what is there in their business, what they will do, what they will not do, what the payment terms are, what it is not.
Yeah.
So when all such things are written and then it is signed, it is called as a contract. Now there is a difference between two parts. One you don't sign, one you sign. In very clear commercial contract मतलब business के लिए जो आप agreement sign करते हो duly signed.
Okay.
Simple.
And what is the importance of a commercial contract for a business?
Actually, if you'll ask me, in my view, no dealing has to be done without executing end-to-end agreement. The reason is that entering into a commercial contract only promotes your trust between two or more parties, whoever is a party to the business transactions. आप देखिए बहुत सारे issues जब आता है कोर्ट में, आप देख लीजिए, you can ask any lawyers who are practicing in this area. बहुत सारे मैटर्स में डिस्प्यूट्स कब होता है, जब आप किसी के साथ अग्रीमेंट्स नहीं करते हो, और जब आप अग्रीमेंट्स नहीं करते हो, इट बिकम्स फॉर यू टू एक्चुअली में प्रूव इट बिफोर द कोर्ट दैट व्हाट वाज द रियल ट्रांजैक्शन. सो आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि आपने परचेस ऑर्डर रेज ही नहीं किया. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का मेन पर्पस यही होता है कि हमें समझना है कि हम क्या करने वाले हैं, हम क्या करेंगे, हम किस तरीके से करेंगे, हम कहाँ तक जाना चाहिए, हमारा लिमिट किधर है. हम ये सब चीज़ को जब डिफाइन करते हैं, हमें पता है कि ये एक चीज़ डिफाइंड हो गया है. सो यू विल आस्क मी अ सिस्टम हैज़ बीन प्लेस्ड. So now I am okay with it. Now the execution part goes to them. So once I am done with this, I don't have to look into each and every business deal which I am doing. So yes, commercial contract का सबसे बड़ा importance ये है that actually में place your system in a very brilliant aspect, and that no doubt is one of the most important step, or I should say tool in your business growth.
Exactly.
It has to be.
It lays down the procedures in simple way.
आपको टेंशन फ्री कर देता है.
Right.
You just rely on that contract.